So today we are making pumpkin swallow. It is so simple and easy to make. And mind you, pumpkin has a lot of health benefits such as vitamin B6, B1, potassium, magnesium, calcium. It gives you also calcium. It has a lot of fiber. And frequent consumption of this pumpkin will help to, regulate your heartbeat and also reduce your high blood pressure. So I have boiled it here. I also added some salt. That is, the adding salt is can be optional if you want. So then after that, I'm going to be removing the seeds and the back of it. You can see how soft it is. I'm removing the back. This back is also edible. Okay, you can actually eat it this way. Okay, so after that, I'm going to be matching it because I need it to be soft so that I'll be able to turn it in swallow form. Okay, so after doing this, and then the next stage is to add some water, which you can see me doing. Please make use of hot water, and then make sure that you turn it into liquid form. You can see all the pumpkin has turned to liquid form. I will allow it to boil, to be very hot enough. Okay, which means I'm going to be allowing it to be hot for a while. After that, introduce any swallow of your choice. If you're the type that likes to eat semo, eat gare, pounded yam, whatsoever, introduce it, not so much, a little bit. So make sure that the pumpkin you have is more than the swallow powdered form you're introducing. So okay, so keep turning. Here you don't really need a lot of effort. It's just a normal way of turning whatsoever swallow you eat. Okay, keep turning. You can see beautiful color. You see the color came out this way because the pumpkin is more than the potato powder I introduced. You're going to add water here, which I just did, and then keep turning it. Okay, this swallow has a lot of nutritional value. In fact, it's a balanced diet on its own, because whatsoever swallow you're going to be introducing is carbohydrates, and this pumpkin is already packed with a lot of vitamins. So what next is a balanced diet. Okay, so I'm through. You can see it has turned to swallow form so easy. And even when you are boiling this pumpkin from the beginning, it doesn't take time. It gets done so easily. You see, I'm trying to mold it so that you guys can see. Okay, so you see it's a normal swallow. Frequent consumption of this will help you health wise. Thank you so much for watching.